Hey guys, this is Scorn, and this is going to be my first ever unboxing. Pretty excited because I have an awesome product here. It's the Marvel vs. Capcom Madcatz Tournament Edition Arcade Stick. It's a mouthful, I know. On the front here we have Wolverine and Ryu. Bottom has some of my personal favorites, Mega Man and Iron Man. This side shows that it's for the PS3. This side also, same thing. Bottom here has Zangief and the Hulk. Let's check out the back. Just got a picture of the stick and some of the features. And alright, let's check out the front again. It's got magnetic doors here that open up. And there's the stick. Check it out. Sorry, there's a glare off my computer screen. Alright, let's not forget there's a sweet picture of Strider inside here and Spider-Man on the side. Alright, so let's open it up. Okay, I already cut the tape out. Speed this up a little bit. Alright, let's put this box to the side. Oh! So, this is the only thing that's in the box besides the stick. It's just an instruction book that I'll probably never look at. There it is. Take those out. Okay, there's the stick. Pretty cool picture. It's actually got this really cool foily holographic look to the actual art. Alright, here's the, that feels really nice. Those all feel really responsive. Alright, top corner here we have the turbo button, which I'll never use. This little slider right here, I don't know if you can see that. That changes this controller part here into the directional pad, left stick or right stick. Don't know if you'd ever need that. And this little lock button makes it so all these buttons are locked, so you can't accidentally hit anything. And the last button is the PlayStation Home button. Nothing on the bottom, nothing on the sides. It's nice and shiny. Top here has Start and Select, and a little tray here which pops open. And it actually houses your USB cable, so it's not hanging out all the time. And it has a little slot for your USB to hang out of when it's closed. Like that. Alright, let's do a quick size comparison to my old stick that I used to use. This is the Hori Soul Calibur 4 stick. Get around here. You can see that the tournament edition stick is really big compared to it. Feels a lot heftier and sturdier. I like the weight. This was a little too light. It would slide around on my my lap here. It's a good stick for me to begin with, though. I enjoy it. I can't say anything bad about this stick. But I look forward to moving on and moving up in the world with this stick here. So, thanks for watching my first unboxing. I hope you liked it. And I hope to see you in my next video. Thanks, guys.